Every checkmate has a pattern, a shape, a structure, something you've seen before or should have. These are every checkmate pattern you need to know, from the simplest to the ones that end grandmaster games. Back rank mate, the most common checkmate at every level below 1,400. Your king is castled, pawns in front of it, f2, g2, h2, untouched. It feels safe. It isn't. If your opponent's rook or queen reaches your back rank and your king has nowhere to go, it's over. The pawns that were protecting the king are now the walls of a prison. The defense is simple. Create an escape square. Move one pawn, h3 or h6. Before you need to, one square. That's all the king needs. Back rank mate wins more games below 1,200 than any other pattern. Not because it's clever, because nobody looks for it until it's too late. Smothered Mate, the most satisfying checkmate in chess, and the cruelest. The king is surrounded, not by enemy pieces, but by its own. The queen blocks one side, the rooks block the others. The knight jumps in and delivers checkmate. The king can't move because its own army is in the way. Here's the sequence. Knight gives check. King moves to the corner. Queen sacrifices itself to force the rook to block the king's escape. Knight jumps back in. Checkmate. The queen sacrifices what makes it beautiful. You give up the most powerful piece on the board. And it still ends in mate. Smothered mate is rare. But once you see the pattern, you'll spot it every time it appears. Scholar's Mate, 4 moves, the fastest checkmate against an unprepared opponent. White attacks f7, the weakest square on the board in the opening, with both the bishop and the queen. If black doesn't defend it, checkmate on move 4. At 400, this works constantly. At 800, everyone knows it's coming, but still falls for it occasionally. Above 1,000, it never works. Anastasia's Mate, named after a novel, deadly in practice. The knight sits on a 7, cutting off the king's escape to the center. The rook delivers checkmate on the h-file. The king is trapped between the knight, the rook, and the edge of the board. Boden's Mate. 2 bishops, cross diagonals, a king that has no idea what's coming. The king is in the center or slightly moved. 2 bishops control 2 diagonals that cross directly on the king's square. Checkmate, with no pieces anywhere near it. What makes Boden's Mate special is the queen sacrifice that usually sets it up. White gives up the queen to open the diagonals. The king takes it, walks into the crossed bishops, and it's over. The pattern to look for, a king that has castled queenside and moved once. 2 bishops with nothing blocking their path. When those appear, Boden's Mate is usually available. Épaulette Mate, French for shoulder straps, because the pieces blocking the king look like military epaulettes. The king sits on its back rank, its own rooks, 1 on each side, block every escape square. The queen delivers checkmate directly in front of it. The king's guards become its prison. This pattern appears when the back rank is crowded and the king hasn't moved. The defense. Don't let your own pieces trap your king. Arabian Mate, one of the oldest checkmate patterns in chess history. A knight and a rook, together, trapping the king in the corner. The rook controls the entire back rank, cutting the king off horizontally. The knight controls the squares the king could jump to. The king is in the corner with nowhere to go. The knight is what makes this pattern unique. It covers squares the rook can't. The diagonal escapes. Together they seal off every possible exit. Look for this pattern whenever you've pushed the enemy king to the corner and your knight is nearby. The rook closes the back rank. The knight does the rest. Back rank. Smothered. Scholars Anastasia, Boden, Épaulette, Arabian, 7 patterns. Every checkmate is one of them, or a variation. Start seeing the shapes, and you'll start finding the mates.